Good morning, reception. Happy Tuesday. I hope you are all doing well. We are back for another literacy lesson. So yesterday we learned about 3 words to tell a story, or the 3 words we need to tell a story. Can anyone remember what they were? Beginning, good job. Middle and end. Excellent. So beginning is the start, middle is the middle of the story, and end is the end of the story. Good job. Now I am going to take you to our lesson for today. So here we are. Again, we're starting with our do now. Can you spot the adjectives? Well, before we spot the adjectives, let's try and read the sentence. We all know what this word is. It's the. Now this one is alien. Tricky one. Has red and stripy pants. The alien has red and stripy pants. Good work. So we are learning about, for here now it says, can you spot the adjective? So we know that an adjective is a describing word, isn't it, boys and girls? An adjective is a describing word. So if an adjective is a describing word and we're describing the pants that the alien has, we need to find out what kind of pants they wear. So I'll read the sentence again. The alien has red and stripy pants. What were the 2 adjectives to describe the pants? I was just about to say it. Excellent. Red and stripy. Let's check if you are right. Yes, good job. Well done. Excellent. Let's move on to our high frequency word this week. So our high frequency this week is has. Your turn, has. My turn, has. Your turn. Great work. So I'm going to come up with a sentence now. The alien has 4 hands. The alien has 4 hands. Excellent. The alien has 1 eye. Excellent. And my last one is the alien has a crazy hairdo. Super work. I'm going to give you 10 seconds now to come up with your own has sentence. Off you go. I can't wait to hear them. Great work. So today we are learning to know what happens in the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. So we need to know that every story has a beginning, a middle, and the end. And we want you to be able to talk about what happens at the beginning, the middle, and the end using a story map. So let's have a look. Our star words are beginning, your turn, beginning, middle, your turn, and end, your turn. Good job. So yesterday we worked really hard and I was really impressed with all the videos that I saw yesterday of you retelling the story using our star words in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. So Miss Houston has been a very busy lady. She has drawn our story map. Here it is now. So I have popped it all in order. So in the beginning, they're in outer space looking for the pants on their computers. Then they fly to Earth. They have their radar on to find the pants on the washing line. They land on Earth and they find the pants. They take lots of pictures in their pants. They play silly games in their pants. They wear their pants everywhere. Mom comes along and they fly away because she comes out to do the washing. And last, what could it be? Does anyone remember? Excellent! We check our underpants. Good job. Now, so Miss Houston has now blocked off some parts and I've muddled it up. So my story map is missing different parts. Can you help me find them? So these are the 3 pictures that are missing and I need your help to pop them back into the story. Let's have a look. So in the beginning, the aliens are in outer space, looking at the computer, looking for the pants. Then what happens? Excellent. They fly to outer space. They fly to Earth, Miss Houston. Next, they look on their radar. Excellent. To find the underpants. In the middle, they land on Earth and they do lots of silly things with the pants. They take lots of pictures, play some fun games, and then, excellent, they wear their pants everywhere. Good job. Then what happens? Does the alien just check his pants? No, does the boy just check his pants? No. Mummy comes out and the aliens fly away. Thank you so much for helping me fix my story map. And now I need your help. For the next 3 days, we are going to spend it drawing the beginning, the middle, and the end. So we are going to do the first part today, which is the beginning. Excellent. Then on Wednesday, we'll do the middle, and on Thursday, we will do the end. So if that's the case, Miss Houston needs some help. These are some ideas. You can draw any of the pictures you want. You can draw absolutely any of them. I don't mind which ones you chose, but I've just chosen these 3 to help me. So in the beginning of the story, the aliens fly to Earth to find the pants. In the middle of the story, what happens then? They land on Earth and they do silly things. Excellent. And at the end of the story, the aliens fly away on their spaceship, but our little friend makes sure he checks his pants. Isn't that right? Now, I am going to we're going to move on and we're going to do this last bit together. Miss Houston has gotten really muddled up. I need your help to put the story in order, starting from the beginning, then to the middle, and finally with the end. Take a look and see if I have done this correctly. I haven't. Oh no! What picture should go here then? Because we know that they don't go straight from looking at their computers to taking funny pictures with the pants. No, something else happened. So I'm going to take that one out, pop it over there. And what picture should go here? I want you to point to the picture that should be going here. Good work. Well done. Let's make it a small bit bigger. Good job. So in the beginning, the aliens are in space. Then they fly to Earth. They follow their radar to find the pants on the washing line. But then what happens? They land on Earth and find the pants. Excellent. Good job. And then what happens? Does the boy check the pants? No. I'm going to pop that one up here. What happens? Good work. They take funny pictures in their pants. Well done. So then, do they play funny games? Yes. And then what happens? Does the boy check his pants now? No. So let's go again. They play funny games in the middle of the story. And they wear their pants everywhere, even on their head. Good work. Well done. And lastly, in the end, does Mommy come out and they fly away? Yes. And the last bit is... Excellent. The boy checks his pants for the alien. So now I'm going to retell the story. In the beginning of the story, the aliens are in outer space. Then they fly to Earth. They follow the radar to find the underpants on the washing line. In the middle of the story, the aliens land on Earth and find the pants. They do lots of silly things in the middle of the story, like take funny pictures, play lots of games in the pants, and they even wear the pants in silly places, like their heads. In the end of the story, Mommy comes out to do the washing, and the aliens fly away. And finally, in the end, the little boy checks his pants to make sure there are no aliens there. Right, I am now going to ask you to pause your screens in a minute, and I want you to retell the story using the words in the middle, in the beginning, in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. So pause your screens and off you go. Okay, I hope everyone by now has retold the story. And what our task is for today, we are going to be drawing a picture about what happens in the middle of the story. So I'm going to begin. I'm going to turn my screen around so you can see me drawing the picture first. So there we go. Hopefully you can see my worksheet now. Oh, very blurry, isn't it? There we go. So there's my piece of paper. And the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write beginning. Now, if you want to get your piece of paper and write the word beginning with me, that would be great because I can help you spell it. So pause the video if you don't have the paper in front of you and you can run and go and get it now. Excellent. So everyone should have their piece of paper in front of them and their pencil. So we're going to spell the word beginning. So we're going to write a B. A. G. Beg. Now help me with the next sound. Beg in. In. What's my next sound? I. Good job. Big I. Begin. There's two n's there. Begin. Ing. Ing. I and what's our special friend? Good work. Beginning. Now we need to draw what happens in the beginning of the story. So in the beginning of the story, the aliens, you can now for this guys, you can pick any of the pictures, okay, that you know were in the beginning of the story. So I'm going to do the one where the aliens are in the spaceship. Boys and girls, community classroom just came back in the middle of my recording. So as I was saying, we are drawing in the beginning and something that happened in the beginning of the story. So I'm going to draw my spaceship. I'm going to draw my funny aliens in there. And remember, they're following the radar. Now, I don't know how good Miss Houston's drawing is going to be, but I'm trying my best. And there was underpants on the radar, wasn't there? Excellent. And where are they going? They are going to planet Earth. I'm going to draw an arrow and I'm going to draw planet Earth. Right. Do I just leave it like that now, boys and girls? No, I need to color it in. So I'm going to color in my planet Earth first. There we go. I'm going to color in my alien. He's going to be pink. You can draw as many aliens as you want. I'm going to color my spaceship blue. Your coloring is going to be a lot better than mine, Reception. Miss Houston is just going quickly. And I'll color my underpants. Now, and I think I could have done lots more. I could do lots of stars. Maybe I'll do a few stars then. I could even do some more planets around the place, couldn't I? Be cool. And now when I finish, I'm going to go and find an adult, or maybe your older brother or your older sister or your mummies or your daddies or your grannies or your granddads, and you or your nannies, and you're going to describe what happens in the beginning of the story. So pretend you're my adult. I would come to you and I would say, okay, I'm bringing you my picture and I'm going to describe to you what happens in the beginning of the story. In the beginning of the story, the aliens are in space. The aliens follow their radar to find some underpants, so they head to the planet Earth. And that is your task for today, boys and girls. But please don't throw these away, because you're going to need this for tomorrow, because tomorrow you're going to be drawing what happens in the middle of the story and putting them next to each other. So you'd have in the beginning first, and you're going to tell the story in the beginning. Then you're going to get your middle piece of paper, put the middle down, and you're going to describe what happened in the middle of the story. And guess what happens on Thursday? You describe the beginning, the middle, and the ending, okay? So it's really important that you really try and write this word. You can write it with Miss Houston, because I know it's really long. And you draw a lovely picture of what happens in the beginning of our story, Aliens Love Underpants. Off you go, Reception, and well done. You are doing super work. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. It's really, really fun one. Bye-bye.